Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Rambhupal. Today we are explain our presentation. Our project title was Solar Powered Wi-Fi Weather Station. Coming to the presentation, these are all the outlines of our project, objectives, components used in system, sensors used in system, existing system, drawbacks of existing system, proposed system, hardware kit explanation, results, advantages, use cases, benefits, challenges. Now coming to their objective. First of all, why you need to develop this system is we are all know about regular weather station. In regular weather station, we don't have any continuous power supply, and also accurate data will not provided due to the manual interruption is there. So that's why the type of drawbacks is there in regular weather station. So to avoid the drawbacks, we have to design, develop and implement this system. It is totally powered by solar energy and equipped with the Wi-Fi connectivity. The objectives of these are only some of the objectives of our project: energy sustainability, accurate data collection, wireless data transmission, user-friendly access, autonomous operation, durability and resiliency, and data sharing and accessibility. These are all the objectives of our system. Now components used in system is this is an ESP32 microcontroller and its specifications. This is a solar panel. The main purpose of solar panel are we all know about. It will be convert the solar energy into their electrical energy. That means sun energy is converted into their electrical energy. These are all the specifications of our solar panel. Sensors used in system is uh, this is a BME68 sensor. It is also called as a 4-in-1 sensor. It will be measure the 4 parameters, that is a gas, pressure, humidity, temperature, and these are all the specifications of this sensor. This is an BH1750 sensor. It is also called as an its main purpose is it will be measure the lux level, light intensity. These are all the some of the specifications of this sensor. This is an ultraviolet radiation sensor module. The main purpose of ultraviolet radiation sensor module is it will be measure the how much UV rays falls on the earth. These are all the some of the specifications of this sensor. This is an DS18B20 sensor. It is also called as an external temperature sensor. It will measure the external temperature. It means outside temperature. These are all the specifications of this sensor. This is a rain gauge sensor. It will measure the rainfall, how much falls in rainy seasons. These are all the some of the specifications of this sensor. This is an anemometer. The main purpose of anemometer is to measure the wind speed, how much speed the wind is flows, and also the specifications. These are all the specifications of this anemometer. Wind vane. The main purpose of wind vane is to measure the wind direction, in which direction the wind is flows. These are all the also some of the specifications of this wind vane. Now coming to this block diagram shows the existing system. In existing system we have to use an ESP82 Wi-Fi module, and we have to connect that module with some sensors. So that is a BMP 180 pressure sensor, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, and the rain sensor will be connected. These sensors all sense the data, and this data is transferred through the Blinky IoT through the users through a cloud platform. It will be display the values in IoT. That's mean Blinky IoT. It is means a graphical representation. Values will be shows. These are all the some of the drawbacks of the existing system. It, this is the proposed system, which means we implemented ESP8266 in place of we have to use ESP32 microcontroller, and also we have to improve the increases the sensors numbers. That is, a rain sensor will be used, wind sensors also used, anemometer sensor will be used, BMP pressure sensor, DAL sensor, BH1750 sensor and ultra radiation sensor. These 10 sensors are connected to the ESP32 microcontroller, and the ESP32 microcontroller is also worked with the battery and also worked with a solar panel. Two-way power supply will be provided to the ESP32 microcontroller. So that's why it will be continuously operating and continuously gather the sensors data, weather data from the sensors, and this data will be sent to the ThinkSpeak and also Google Sheet. It will be store the values in Google Sheet, and also it will be displayed the in ThinkSpeak through a cloud platform. Okay guys, up to this we have to explain our project in a theoretical form. Now we will explain in a practical form. This is a microcontroller unit of our system. It will be totally integrated within a different sensor, which sensors are measures the parameters of our project. This is a BME 680 sensor. It is also called as a 4-in-1 sensor. It will be measure the 4 in parameters, that is an air quality, temperature, humidity, pressure. This is an BH1750 sensor. It is also known as a lux sensor. It will measure the lux level of an environment, and it is an UV index sensor. It will measure the UV rays of an UV rays from the sun, and it is an external temperature sensor, also called as an ambient temperature sensor. It will measure the external temperature, and we have also connected this total system is connected with a battery and also solar panel. It will be a rechargeable battery. It is recharged by the solar panel, and the solar panel is connected by the voltage regulator. It will be step down the voltage from 10 volts to the 3.3 volts. And this is a wind and rain sensor terminals. The wind and rain sensor will be installed in the upper side of the, it will be shows in future clip. Okay, up to this we have to explain only microcontroller unit. Now we will explain the wind and rain sensor that are connected to the microcontroller unit. Previously shows the terminals. These are all the wind and rain sensor. That is a wind speed sensor. It will be measure the wind speed, and this is a wind direction sensor. It will be measure the wind direction. This is a rain gauge sensor. It will be measure the how much rainfall falls. Based on that fall, it will be measure the rain gauge. And this is an external temperature and ambient temperature. It will be measure the outside temperature. This is a solar panel. Okay guys, up to this we have to explain the overall system hardware. Now we will explain the results of our system. Previously I will tell the data which is collected by the node MCU that will be sent to the Google Sheets, that is in a cloud platform. In that all the data will be stored, date, time, air temperature, humidity, pressure, ambient temperature, that means external temperature, light intensity, lux level, UV index, air quality, solar radiation, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, battery voltage. This data will be stored in the Google Sheet. It will be also display the values, and it will be recorded and stored the values which are collected by the sensor. Every data will be recorded every 1 minute. So now I will show the today data. So today's last day data is collected by the sensor is 23 4th month April 24th at the time of 11:38. On the time it will be collected temperature, pressure. This all the data will be recorded every time, and also shows that this data in a graphical representation in ThinkSpeak also. This is a graphical representation of our results. In that we have also shown in the graphical representation. This is a temperature 8. This is a pressure. This is an external temperature, that is an ambient temperature. This is a wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, battery voltage, and also we have to add it in the location and the battery voltage, humidity, wind speed, rainfall. So this all the data will be recorded in graphical representation also, and we have to also store the all the data in Google Sheets. Now these are all the advantages of our system. Okay, these are the use cases of our system. AITS college radio station is nothing but in our college station we have in our college we have having a radio station. Our system is connected to that radio station we have for the purpose of to provide the weather data to the peoples. Next one is gardening and farming. It is nothing but in regularly in nowadays the temperature levels increases due to the heavy sun rises, so that will be affected to the farmers because of they don't feel the farming. So that's why this data is useful when the temperature is low, when the farming is doing, it will be helpful. And the outdoor activities is nothing but some families are planning to their trips or outdoor trips or something outdoor places will be going. At the time we have to check the whether data is today is good or not. By the checking the data they will go. It will be useful at the time also. Research purpose is nothing but um, after some years the earth may be affected due to the UV rays. At the time it will be very helpful to research before the earth will be damages, before you will take the readings from the weather, and it will be controlled by using some techniques. And the weather enhanced home weather monitoring system is nothing but mm, based on the outside temperature we have to set the home weather temperature. And the remote locations is nothing but some locations we does not having any type of any location. At the time we does not see in the particular weather data in online, so at the time we have to install that system at the places. It will be helpful, and also it will be helpful in schools and college projects. Benefits of system, challenges of our system. If any questions, please comment. Thank you to all.